Good morning, ma'am. My name is Raja Sharma of BTech first year branch CSE, and my university roll number is 2002900100115. And today I will discuss on my project Library Management System to develop a project titled Library Management, and it developed to maintain the operation done in a library. The project Library Management System mainly focus on basic operations in a library like adding new members, new books, and upgrading new information, searching books and members and faculty, and written books. All transactions are computerized. Less paperwork. In this, there is no more paperwork, there less paperwork, and it is also secure and consist database. And there is two level of characteristics in the user, which one is user side in and second is administrator side. So first, user side. In user side, user will check the availability of the books like book written, and in administrator side, the following are the sub module in the administrator side like as register user, entry book detail, book issue. There are in administrator side. And now what is need of library management system? For every customer and student, it is not possible to purchase the book. So this system very helpful to local student, the student which are on the school and college level, and they have not any money to purchase the book, so they will take our help from library management. So that why they cannot easy to issue the book, so they maintain the consistency of the database, and it will take our help. While library, it will maintain the record in the database in such a way that it can be easily retrieved back wherever even needed. And what is the benefits? First is availability. The availability of the software is easy and for everyone. It is very easy and everyone can use it. And correctness, the result of the function are pure and accurate. There is very correctness. Flexibility, the operation may be flexible and reports can be presented in many way. Maintainability, after the development of the project, if any error occur, then it can be easily maintained by the software developer. And cost efficiency, the software is less in cost and bearable by the organization. In this, not any money, more money want. In this, in the less money, the work section. And scope, the scope of the project is to provide, improve and optimize services. All manual work convert into computerized, so workload of worker decrease. Whatever work on the workers, the work can decrease. That's why this. And software requirement, in this software requirement like as Java language, MS SQL Server 2005. Thank you, ma'am.